everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can set or do a setting of buttons in a Wix site. So let's start with the video. So right now I opened the Wix editor of one of my site. So here I have selected a button. So just click on the layout and it has a one setting which is called text alignment. So as you can see, it is on to align to the center, and if you click on this, it has a left alignment, but as you can see there is no margin or no padding, so you can give margin of 10, 20, and let's see what is the limit. Yeah, you can use so much of margin, and the limit I think it is 100. Now I just click on the right side and you can do the same thing here as well. You can give the margin of it. So I will again go to left. So you need to give the margin, of course. So that is how it will look great. So right now I have just shown you how to do it. Don't go on this like a alignment. It is not proper, I know, but still I have tried to show you. You can do it on your own and try doing on your own, and let me know in the comments how you feel about this video and whether you liked it or not. And I hope you understood. So thank you for watching this video. I'll come up with another tutorials in the next videos. Thank you.